And we don't really have much more than these headlines, which is basically Bloomberg reporting that there is reportedly a DOJ investigation into Elon Musk, a criminal probe into Elon Musk's tweet taking the company private, or the plan to take the company private, that was sent out in early August. Now, whether or not this actually leads to criminal charges, you guys know it's a long ways from an investigation into charges actually being filed, but it does raise one question that is front and center and has been for some time. What will the Tesla board of directors say if, in fact, there is a DOJ criminal probe? Will we hear more from them than we have heard so far, either as this entire situation has played out over the last month and a half, or as the SEC launched its civil investigation? Really, we have not heard much from the Tesla board. We had Kimball Musk on CNBC yesterday afternoon. He pretty much stuck to the talking points, really shed no light in terms of what the board might be doing to change the governance at Tesla. So at this point, we have reached out to Tesla. We have not heard back yet from Tesla a statement regarding this report of a criminal probe by the DOJ looking into the Elon Musk tweets from early last month about potentially taking Tesla private.
You know,
Guys, back to you.
Phil, you referenced the interview that Kimball Musk gave to Sarah and Wilfred yesterday afternoon on the closing bell. I want to play what I think is really the most telling clip of that interview, where they pressed him on all of these issues. We can talk about it on the other side. But here's the interview yesterday with Kimball Musk.
You are a board member, and the stock is down significantly from that original tweet he sent out that the company's going private, funding secured. Do you wish he hadn't sent that tweet?
I think, my brother is working hard to do the right thing for the shareholders, and that would be up to my brother.
Yeah, Phil, there it is, right there on TV for you. Just not a willingness at all from a board member. Sure, he's Elon's brother, but he can't just come on and speak as Elon's brother. He's a board member, and he wasn't willing to entertain anything that either Sarah or Wilfred asked him.
That clip, in fact, the whole interview, that is exactly what critics of Tesla point to when they say there is not enough independent advisory, if you will, of the board of directors. They're too cozy to Elon Musk. It was that comment. It was several others during the interview where you basically got the feeling Kimball Musk is like, hey, my brother's a good guy and he's trying to do well by the company. We're going to do well in terms of delivering the Model 3. In terms of corporate governance, we're really not going to talk about that. It wasn't surprising. I watched the interview and I thought, it's kind of what I would expect there. But this is exactly, Scott, what critics of Tesla have talked about, that there is not a strong board, a strong independent board that is saying, hey, governance is first and foremost, and that means when we have to be tighter on Elon Musk or on his actions or on how he runs this company, we will be tighter.